Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat something went wrong and support code C14A, which means if you're having this kind of error, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply close this tab, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply press and hold the app, and you have to simply go to app info, and here you have to first thing is you have to simply force stop the app. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply clear the cache of your app, and after doing so you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can simply open the Play Store here, and in Play Store you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Snapchat app, and because many error and bugs are fixed by the latest version of the Snapchat, in this way you can simply solve that problem. If the problem is still there, then there is also another tick which works for many devices. For this, what you have to check is you have login your Snapchat account only in one device. If you have login your Snapchat account in more than one device, then you will face this kind of error. So you have to make sure that you have to log in your Snapchat account in only one device. If you log in your Snapchat account more than one device, then this kind of error will be occur. So you have to make sure that you log out your Snapchat account from one device before logging in your Snapchat account in another device. Hope you have liked this video. If I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.